Hello, welcome to Lightec Auto Style. Here we have a Honda CRV Mark IV that has been converted with one of our LED kits. As you can see, we only use the best quality LEDs, pure white, none of that cheap bluey tinge on our LEDs. Really makes a fantastic difference on this kit. Includes the overhead lights, glove box, rear overhead light, you also get in the kit two high power reverse LEDs, number plate LEDs, and also sidelight LEDs, which are not actually on this model because this one has DRLs for sidelights because it's the EX model. All of the models you get the sidelight LEDs, they work great. And as you can see, it makes a massive difference on standard. You can also see the boot LED there that's included. This kit's currently selling at $14.95. That includes free UK delivery, VAT included. I'll put the links in the description. Available on our eBay store and our web store. Yeah, thanks for looking.